Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we discuss and review anything technology related. If it's your first time, you're so welcome. Today we are discussing about the Tesla Cybertruck. A number of reviews have been done, so our focus is on the results of these reviews. However, beyond its looks, the Cybertruck boasts several notable features and capabilities. With its impressive acceleration, the Cybertruck achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in an alleged 2.7 seconds, surpassing the 2.9 seconds reported for the latest Ferrari 296 GTB. The Cybertruck has impressive towing capacity of 11,000 pounds, although some reviewers say it doesn't beat some of its competitors like the Ford F350 SRW diesel. Moreover, the bulletproof stainless steel body provides durability and protection, although some have questioned its ability to withstand bigger bullet sizes above the 9mm. Some even question the practicality in everyday usage. Additionally, while the Cybertruck excels in straight-line acceleration, its performance in areas like handling and interior comfort may not satisfy everyone's expectations. Despite its strengths, the Cybertruck is not without its flaws. Early production models have encountered issues such as panel gaps and manufacturing defects, though Tesla has actively addressed these concerns. The Cybertruck's 800-volt architecture and minimalist interior design are also noteworthy features. The high-voltage system enables rapid charging and efficient power delivery, while the simplistic interior mirrors Tesla's design ethos of simplicity and functionality. However, criticism has arisen regarding the absence of physical buttons and traditional features typically found in conventional vehicles. The Tesla Cybertruck represents a bold departure from traditional pickup truck design and offers a distinctive blend of performance, technology, and durability. Despite its unconventional appearance, its innovative features and capabilities make it an appealing choice for those seeking a unique and capable vehicle. A number of reviewers have complained about the blind spot issue. However, according to Tesla, the upper speaker grille on both front door pillars includes a blind spot warning light. To enable or disable the warning lights, select Controls Safety, Blind Spot, Warning Light. With its factory-rated 845 horsepower, the Cybertruck has been praised for its off-road prowess. The inclusion of a steer-by-wire system, variable steering ratios, and four-wheel steering deliver exceptional agility and maneuverability for a vehicle of its size. The Tesla Cybertruck not only challenges traditional automotive aesthetics but also sets new benchmarks in electric vehicle innovation and versatility. From the several reviews we followed through, the Tesla Cybertruck stands out with its unique features and outstanding performance. As production increases and more Cybertrucks hit the road, its reception by consumers and whether it lives up to its iconic status remain to be seen. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video for more content. Bye for now.